Did you know that you can bring your luggage in Shinsai Bashi and Ebisu Shopping Street? Yes, you heard it right. That's how long this shopping street is. Hang tight as I provide you with shopping tips and recommendations here in Osaka. Kung magsha-shopping din kayo guys, you wouldn't want to miss Ebisu Shopping Street at Shinsai Bashi Shopping Street. So those two are along Glicosign Dotonbori din. So intersecting siya kay Glicoman. Dami nyong mapapamili dito guys. Napakaganda dito, maraming sale, mga branded. Gusto niyo ng sale ng brand nyo, dito magandang mamili. Nandito na tayo sa Onitsuka ngayon guys. Sa mga nagpapasabay dyan, just hang tight. Titingnan na namin ang mga pinapasabay nyo. Huwag nyong kakalimutan yung passport nyo guys. Kasi karamihan ng shop dito, tax-free. Marami ring drugstore dito guys. At marami rin silang tindang magagandang skincare products. At karamihan nga ng mga pinasabay sa amin, dito na rin namin pinamili. Kung maghahanap kayo ng CR dito guys, kasi sobrang lamig din pag winter time, walang mga CR o mga other stores dito sa Shinsai Bashi Shopping Street. So you need to look for a restaurant along Shinsai Bashi or Ebisu, or kung hindi kayo makakita ng restaurant or coffee shop dito, you can also turn left or you can also turn right. Ayan, para makakita kayo ng mga restaurant dito, no? So, dyan sa mga restaurant, sa mga coffee shop, usually meron silang mga washroom. Dito na lang tayo mag-lunch sa Sukiya. Alam nyo guys, halos lahat pala dito sa Osaka, Japan, ordering machine na yung ginagamit, oh. Parang mamimili ka na lang, parang sa McDonald's, tsaka sa Jollibee. Pagkapili mo sa menu nila, parang vendo machine. Lalagay mo na lang yung pera mo o sana magsusukli. Lalabas na yung resibo. Galing, no? And almost all restaurants over Osaka, Japan, ganito. Kaya ang galing. Ganda dito sa loob ng Sukiya, guys. So, okay, guys. Lunchtime. We're having gyudon with miso soup. And iced coffee, tsaka apple juice. Punta naman tayo dito sa Big Camera guys, where you can find a lot of discounted gadgets at tax-free pa. Meron ding phones dito, anime figures, gaming consoles, laptop, appliances, toys, camera, and watches. Just don't forget to bring your passport for a tax-free purchase. Gaming zone area nila dito guys, so kompleto. Tingnan nyo, sama-sama yung mga portable gaming PC. Isang example ng pricing, itong MSI Claw guys. Itong specs na to, which is i7 155H yung processor, 16GB, 1TB SSD. Ito makikita nyo to sa Pilipinas amounting to 39,000. Ito guys, pag kinonvert nyo tong, actually tax-free pa tayo dyan. So yung nandun ka sa baba, tax-free 81,637 Japanese yen. Pag kinonvert nyo, nasa 31,000 lang yan. So you get to save around 8,000 pesos guys pag binili nyo to tong MSI Claw na to. We're little short on time na guys, pero iikot ko kayo ng isang mabilis dito sa gaming zone dahil sobrang naaliw ako. Kasi kapag nakita nyo yung ambience ng store, para ka talagang nasa gaming room. They have gaming headsets, gaming peripherals, everything about gaming, everything under the sun. Kita nyo to guys, kita nyo yung cooling system na yan, oh. Solid. Tapos kita nyo yung setup dito, para ka nasa com shop, oh. They have a pink setup, diba? Pleten, iba-ibang setup yan guys. Iba-ibang setup yan. Tapos iba-ibang gaming headset, oh. Ang dami. And then, ang dami-daming keyboard dito guys, oh. Kung maghahanap kayo ng mga gaming keyboard, malaki ang masisave nyo dito for sure. Dahil pinakita ko na sa inyo kanina yung example ng MSI Claw, diba? You get to save 8,000 pesos for the MSI Claw. Brand new. Tapos meron pang racing simulation dito guys. Oh. Gusto nyo, kita nyo naman. Oh. Kompleto. Kung gusto nyo ng pang gaming setup nyo, kompleto dito guys. Big camera sa Osaka. It's just near Namba Station. Lapit siya sa may Ebisu Shopping Street. Ayan. Even gaming mouse. Oh. Commercialized na yung mga serving robot dito guys. Oh. They're even selling machines for fast food chains. So, di ba? Pwede pala mag-try ng game dito guys. Ang mura ng mga G-Shock dito guys. Alam nyo, almost all of the G-Shock dito sa Japan ay halos half the price kapag binili nyo siya dito ng tax-free at ikinumpara nyo yung presyo sa Pinas. Kaya sobrang ganda mamili ng G-Shock dito sa Big Camera. Marami ring magandang G-Shock dito guys, pambabae. Both unisex, for men or for women. Maganda tong mga G-Shock dito. Even luxury brands guys. Maghanap din kayo ng Seiko watches. Marami ring mga Seiko dito guys. Dito naman sa Book Off guys, you will find second-hand luxury bags, watches, at mga second-hand gadgets. There are also gaming consoles. Marami ding retro games dito, and they also sell phones and tablets. Double check nyo lang kasi may version na eSIM only. Used items na to guys, pero as you can see, in good condition pa rin naman. Syempre, mamimili lang din kayo, no? Ito guys, meron din silang mga bargain dito. Hindi siya pristine condition, no? Pero guys, kita nyo naman, MK pa din yan guys. Meron lang mga minor issues or maybe some faded parts. Pero guys, this is still MK at sobrang mura pa rin yun. We also went to Denden Town, pero like Book Off, medyo pricey yung mga second-hand gadgets nila. You will also find Don Quixote all over Japan at maganda mamili ng pasalubong sa Donkey. This one is just near Fruits Tower across Glycosine Dotonbori. Up next, I'm going to show you how to navigate abroad while going to Fushimi Inari Shrine, and we're still going to Universal Studios, kaya stay tuned and follow me for more travel tips. Ingat!